So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to pay monthly with Klarna. So first, you need to open the web browser or search engine and just simply search for klarna.com and you will redirect to this page. So Klarna is a payment method that you could pay within an installment. So you could choose any payment method and which you wanted to pay. So for example, in Pay in 4, you have to split your purchase into 4 interest-free payments and it is paid automatically every 2 weeks. So under here, you will see the pay over time, which is you could pay under 12 months, and more of that, you could pay in full also. At the same time, you could pay within a month or in 30 days. So Klarna can also estimate your payment. So basically, if you purchase for around $2,000, if you paid for one payment every 2 weeks, it will cost you 500. So 4 interest-free payments, which is you have no interest right here when you pay one payment every 2 weeks. While on the other hand, when you pay 6 monthly payments, it will cost you $2,000 and 118.22 penny. So the total interest is 19.99 APR, which is basically 118 and $22. So basically, when you pay in 12 months, it will cost you $2,000 and $220.12. So the total interest is $223.12. So the longer you pay, the higher the interest you are going to pay. So you can spend much in Klarna by logging into your account so you could see your estimated purchase. So that's how you pay monthly with Klarna.